Well, we got high winds and heavy rain all day, and this is Wednesday night. Doesn't seem to put these fellows out any. The weather doesn't seem to bother them. It's raining pretty good here now. Knocked one. There's a hot dog over here. Look, come here. We'll see it. There. You have to tell them where everything is. Oh, they're good and fat. Oh, there's another customer coming. Big one out here. Come here. Here you go. We haven't had kibble yet, but I'm going to put the kibble in close to the wall here so it doesn't get wet. That's what we're going to. That's the plan. That's the plan, Stan. You ready? Here you go. Here. Here. There's Connor. Hi, Connor. He was in there sleeping, so he must have heard me out here talking to these fellas. Here. I know you know what's hanging up there. I know you know what's hanging up there. They're not stupid. So we had 8 here, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One missing. There. There you go. Don't worry, you're going to get one too. They don't mind the rain. They got guard hairs on their fur, so keeps the rain off them. This is the 3rd pound of hot dogs that I'm going through. Come here. Here. What? Look, he didn't want the hot dog. He didn't want it. Well, somebody else will take it. Look. See? You lost your hot dog. No, you're not chewing on my toes. Ah! Get out of here. Get. You're not chewing on my toes. No. No, you're not chewing on my toes. Chew your own toes. How many have I got left here? 3 of this. Here. Here. Okay. I'll get some cookies. Put these in here. I'll leave that hanging there until I get done filming. I only got one hand to use. I only got one hand. Hello, Connor. Alright. The vanilla cream cookies. Okay, I'll just set this down for a second. I'm just going to put the whole tray out. There. Put the whole thing right out and be done with it. There. Alright. Now, I need to get a camera that mounts to my helmet. That's what I need. So you gotta use both hands. But I was putting it on a tripod, but they keep knocking it over. There. Go get a cookie. Listen! You stop being mean. There's all kinds of cookies there. Go grab a cookie. There. My God, that wind's wild. You're not biting my toes, I told you. Get. Have a cookie. There. I'll be making sandwiches in a minute. Oh my God, is it ever wild? You know, it's just as bad as the hurricane. Yeah. They call them storm bombs. What do you want? What? What is it you want? Dry food. Yeah, well, we can do that if I got the container filled up. Oh, I filled it last night. Yes, I did. Good. We did fill it last night. Mr. Connor, you want to go for a drive in the storm? Do you? You want to go for a drive? Go in the car? What? What? What is it? What is it? Connor cat. Smell raccoon off me? Do you? There, we're gonna put this dry food out, bud. To shut these fellows up. And I got a container for it. Oh! I fill it right up. Alright, I'm going to spin you guys around for a minute. Let me get this door open. Sorry about that, but